Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. We're going to be doing a Lavo special, The Only Sovereign God, and I'm going to be playing in the key of C. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to 1. Okay, so if you don't understand how to play the key of C, I have a tutorial in my playlist. You can go there, learn it, and then get back to what we are doing. Okay, all right. So I'm going to be playing the intro of the song, and then I'll play like half. All right, so you listen to it. Let me play it again. So I'm struggling with my sustain pedal down. That's why I probably all right, sorry. Okay, so it's like this on a 2, and then you move to a 5. Okay, then you start on a 1. So when you play 1 like this, okay. So let me start again. Awesome God, 1. All you need to do is move this way. It's a passing chord, then you move to 2. Or you can just play like this. So, awesome God. Okay, I just inverted it here. So, awesome God. Then move to 5. This is 2. This is chord 5. We move to 1. But I play the suspended. This is 7. Then 6. Then move to 2. Then we play a 3 but a major. So again. progression. Then the second one, Lord Jesus, 2. So, Lord Jesus. So you play a 2, holy, then 5, 1, 3, 4. Then you move to a 2. Okay, you can do the 2 also like this, and then 3 to 6. Now the 3 in this context we play a chord 4, a major chord instead of a minor. We play a major. So let me play the whole song again. Sustain. Awesome God. Da -da 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 -da. Da -da -da the Lord Jesus. It's still the same as the chorus. 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 6. The whole how great thou art. Okay, so thank you for being a part of this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial, and bye bye.